Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to remove your air dam on your 4th generation Tacoma. Let's get started. Okay, this is going to take about 5 minutes or less. We're fortunate enough to have the vehicle in the air, so it's going to be a little bit easier. There's going to be a total of 9 10mm bolts. 5 of them are right here in the front, and then there's going to be 2 on the driver, 2 on the passenger. So we're just going to take those bolts, we're going to pull those off, remove the air dam, throw it in the trash can, and then we're going to put those bolts right back. And then we're going to install 8 of these little plastic frame caps. And the reason that we're going to put these plug holes in there is because it's going to eliminate air from coming in from wind noise. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so now that we have all the bolts put back into place, we're gonna install 8 plug holes. Toyota genuine part number 90950A1021. We sell those on parts.edmartintoyota.com. So if you need them, we'll link those in the video description notes. Right here on your lower control arm, you're gonna have 4 bolt holes on each side. I'm just gonna go ahead and take that cap, plug it in. And you're done. That's all it takes to remove the lower air dam on a 4th generation Tacoma. Very similar on a 6th generation 4Runner. If you guys have any questions, ask them in the comment section below. And if you're interested in doing this yourself, just buy 8 of these on parts.edmartintoyota.com. Link in the video notes.